Mau minum kopi antri di Beach Walk Kuta, ngantri dulu. Antrian panjang, dalam ruangan juga banyak. Antri kopi 100% Arabica di Beach Walk Kuta. Ceritanya ini antre kopi, antre beli kopi hangat 100% Arabica di Beach Walk Kuta. Rame, yang duduk di sini juga banyak. Antrean panjang. Sedang antri kopi persen Arabica, kopi persen Arabica. Antri dulu. Yang di sini juga banyak duduk. Tempatnya di Beach Walk di Kuta. Tuh nampak pantai Kuta di Bali. Persen Arabica di Kuta Bali. Antri dulu beli. Sudah dapat urutan ketiga. Aku di sini saja. Persen Arabica. Sabar, akhirnya sudah dapat nomor 2. Ngantrenya penuh dengan kesabaran. Penuh dengan kesabaran.
Mau yang medium atau large? Kayaknya ada coklatnya, yang ini manis sama krim. Sama siapa kak? Kasih. Kasih sama Kasih. Ada 16, 1, 12, 1.
it's easy to see. You are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the night that we met. Jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. Drive to the beach. The sun was setting, it was just you and me. Wind in my hair and the sand in my shoes. Could've chosen anyone, but I choose you. Hop back in your car, top down. There's no stopping us, cause we own this town. Never knew I could have such fun. Never thinking you would be my number one. On my tongue, never thinking you would be my number one. Jump in your car and we drive to the beach.